Tired of seeing the market in the same old way? Let's transform your trading by mastering candle timeframes in Tradingview in just 90 seconds. First, locate the time interval selector on the upper toolbar of your Tradingview chart. It usually displays the current timeframe, like 15 meters for 15 minutes. Click on this button, and a drop-down menu will appear, presenting a range of preset time intervals. We'll find options from seconds, minutes, hours, days, weeks, and even months. For example, let's switch from the 15-minute timeframe to a 1-hour timeframe. Simply click on the 1H option. Notice how the chart updates. Each candle now represents 1 hour of price action. This condenses the data, giving you a broader view of the trend. Tradingview allows you to customize your favorite timeframes for quick access. Just click the start icon next to the interval to add it to your favorites. Experiment with different timeframes. A weekly chart, for instance, can reveal long-term trends that are invisible on a shorter timeframe like a 5-minute chart. Remember, shorter timeframes are great for precise entries and exits, while longer timeframes help identify overall market direction. Explore Tradingview's Multichart Layout to view multiple timeframes at once for a comprehensive analysis. Now you know how to change candle timeframes in Tradingview. Use this knowledge to unlock hidden market insights and refine your trading strategy. Don't forget to subscribe for more trading tips and tricks.